morning and welcome to today's video. Welcome to the inner circle of Regent's Park. Myself and Chris out for a spin in London today. Getting some photo and video of the new Jam jerseys, which we are both wearing. Subsequently, we've ended up doing about 50 laps of this 1K loop. It's just like a prison, a circular prison. Good alleyway, this.
It's nice, isn't it? Keep the bike warm.
Oh, you're warming up?
Yeah, warming up.
Hello.
Hey.
How are you?
I'm good.
Wacky wacky doodah.
I've ridden my bike for the first time in 8 months.
What?
You still look very pro,
I say
except
8
for the
months.
hair.
I rode on Sunday. I rode up Swains Lane and it's definitely still there.
Bonked, mate.
What did you
I've been on a ride
to?
on a bonk. Limited edition beetroot dull.
Oh, nice.
Wrap. Yeah.
Nice. Has it got beetroot in it?
Don't know.
Love beetroot.
I'll be flying after that.
Same colour as...
No, it's not. Beetroot's on purple.
Hello.
They remind me of the Assos glasses.
Do you want me to stand like the Assos man?
Are you as ripped as him underneath your t-shirt?
Yeah. I'm not going to take my t-shirt off though.
Doesn't he only ever wear bib shorts as well? Nice. So I realise I have not explained what's going on. We've taken some photos. Now we're at Rafa Spitalfields, and that was Ben and Kat, and they've left, and now George is here. And we're interviewing him from across the table for some reason.
What am I being interviewed for? I forget.
Job at Jam Cycling.
See.
Are you good at procrastinating and sitting at coffee shops?
Yes. Am I allowed to wear check shirts?
You will be paid 1 million yen.
£6. But how's the road rash?
Oh, it's uncomfortable today.
Yeah.
Yeah. My ass is still a bit swollen. Keep knocking my elbow. Jimmy kept kicking me under the table. He didn't mean to. It was mainly me kicking him, but it hurt.
Where's Jimmy? I was expecting to see Jimmy.
He was here earlier. He had to go.
It's quite small. When are the gravel wheels ready?
I think about 10 days, maybe less. We should check. Lawrence.
We're central London. Well, I guess we're sort of more East London, but still East Central. Internet's supposed to be really good in London, yeah?
It does not work. I think it's because of this.
Rappa's just blocking the internet to stop people using it to buy cheaper Rappa.
On Wiggle.
Is that dog alright? Can you hear it?
Looking at tyres for Australia.
Yes.
Australian tyres.
Gravel King, the slicker version, tubeless one. Got some funky little diagram, and it says loads of random numbers there.
Tubeless will probably be a good idea because I don't want to be changing a puncher in the middle of a desert.
I don't want to be changing your puncher in the middle of a desert either.
Does he know how to fix a puncher?
I think he's got an idea. He's got a diagram.
Taking it to SBC Cycles does not count. It's fixing a puncher.
He's done it before.
I normally use those solid tyres, don't you?
Just fully.
When they punch it, they are a right bitch. Sealant probably is it got like operating temperatures? Like if it's too cold, does it like?
No, if it's too hot, it doesn't work properly.
It's too hot.
Yeah.
It becomes too
Like at Death
viscous.
Valley, patches for patching inner tubes wouldn't even work. They just melt.
Brr.
So anything with gluey type of stuff, it just
You're
the
gonna have
hotter
that,
it gets, the
you're
worse
gonna
it
have
is.
that. You're gonna have that issue in Australia, or is it not gonna be too hot?
Not gonna be that hot.
Okay.
Yeah.
You guys have a nice rest of your day. I'll see you later.
You got everything.
You're right.
Yes.
You're panicking.
Yeah, I just suddenly realised if I don't get fucking moving, I'm never gonna get back to where I need to go.
Okay. Can't run.
Poor crippled George. I was told with tubeless, this is a tip from SBC, you want it to look fabulous when you puncture, put glitter in it. The little bits in glitter help to block it, that's why.
So time for a nice spin home. Trying to save my legs a little bit in anticipation of tomorrow, if tomorrow happens. London's just a pain in the ass to get out of and you can't help riding super hard out of every traffic light and then you get swarmed by loads of other cyclists or cars. I refuse to get the train home if I've got my bike with me. So much of London is closed today. Literally keep having to get off my bike and walk down pavements and stuff. It's just annoying. Feels good to be out of the house, even if it was just around London. Legs are actually feeling really good. Been pretty tired over the last couple of weeks. I guess the multiple trips abroad and all those mountain passes with Nick and everything, eventually it catches up with you. A proper bit of rest time and no flights for a bit. It's really sorted me out. Now what I'm really hoping for is a dry day tomorrow. Oh, more commuting world champs on that last bit home. You just can't help but get sucked into it. I don't understand. I was going to change the handlebars on your bike to be wider, and these are supposed to be wider, because they say they're wider. It says on it 38, but it's narrower than the 36s. Data measure in a stupid way. They're the same there, and then they're even narrower on the drops.
Those are probably just straight out 36s.
And I'm wearing flip-flops.
Looks like you're wearing white socks.
Cheers. We have a house full of handlebars and none of them are the right size.
What about on the 8 bar? What are those? 40?
40 in the box in the shed, 40 on there, everything's 40. So I said the challenge that I wanted to be doing, I could only really do if it was dry. This isn't dry, this is the opposite. So I'm basically going to be stuck at home all day. I'm going to do my editing and have a rest instead, which again is the opposite of what the thing was going to be. Annoyingly, even though I want to reschedule the thing, it's not going to be happening until like September because I just don't have any time. On the plus side, I am going to be more rested for next weekend when we're racing Le Mans 24 hours, courtesy of Shimano, so thanks to them for organising that. Sometimes the universe just has its ways of telling you you need a rest. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm a bit more damp now. See you guys tomorrow.